Close to the tail is a line of black patches with white outline. It has a small dorsal fin and a long pelvic fin joined to the anal fin. The clown knifefish is not an aggressive carnivore. It is easy to rear and can be bought at a reasonable price. It is an ideal choice for new hobbyists of big ornamental fish. But due to its size, the clown knifefish should be kept ideally with other types of fish of its size. The tamole, which falls in the category of big fish, can grow up to 120 centimeters. It can be found in the rivers of Malaysia and Thailand. The black horizontal stripes on its body makes the tamole look longer. The archerfish can live in fresh water and salt water. This fish can be found in mangrove swamps, at estuaries and inland. Normally, it moves about in schools of 3 or more. It is known as the archerfish. This fish originates from India, Southeast Asia and Australia. Its scientific name is Toxotus jaculatrix. It is commonly known as the archerfish. The average size of this fish is between 30 to 40 centimeters. It can live for up to 6 to 10 years. This fish is known for its ability to shoot insects by spitting a jet of water from its mouth. It forms a tube by pressing its tongue on the roof of its mouth and then forcing water into the tube through its gills. It will then tilt its head upwards towards its target. With a pair of sharp eyes, it can estimate distance accurately. However, there are times when other archer fish will race to get the prey that has been shot down. Aside from this, it can also jump up to catch its prey. This is a kala. Its body is greyish-white in color and covered with big shiny scales. This, on the other hand, is the red kala. It has attractive red fins and tail. The kala can grow up to a length of 1 meter. This is the Siamese putin. Its body is black in color. And here's the white putin. Here's another species of putin. It's called high fin, short body because of its short body and straight tall fins. The Sabarao originates from the rivers of Southeast Asia. These rivers are usually fast-flowing with sandy and muddy bases. Sabarao can grow up to between 30 centimeters to 40 centimeters. The Sabarao has a long but compact body. A black stripe runs from the dorsal fin to the ventral fin. It has big scales, and each one has a black pattern. The long protruding mouth of the Sabarao helps this carnivore suck food particles from the base of the river. The tentacles on the mouth act as a sensor for the fish. The Jelawat can be found in the rivers of Malaysia, Sumatra, Laos and Thailand. It can grow to a maximum size of 50 centimeters. This species is tame and easy to keep. It is a freshwater fish, commonly consumed by the locals. The golden dorado is a strong species. This South American fish is unique in color. Its tail is a mixture of yellow and orange, whereas its body is a mixture of silver and black. This fish originates from Brazil and Colombia. It has unique colors on its body and tail. It has a gray body and its anal fin is covered with tiger stripe patterns. The average size of a silver Procelotus is 30 centimeters. There are a lot of more uncommon fish that we seldom see in a domestic aquarium. However, they are no less attractive. Black ghost knife. This fish has a large pointed mouth. Although it grows rather slowly, it can achieve a maximum size of 45 centimeters. This fish is not aggressive and can be put in an aquarium with other fish. Long-nosed elephant fish. This fish originates from the tropical African rivers. It is extremely sensitive to changes in water quality and is rather difficult to care for. It is active at night and can grow up to 24 centimeters. Silver dollars. This fish takes well to groups and likes acidic water with a temperature of between 24 and 28 degrees Celsius. Feed them plant-based food like spirulina pellets or flakes. It can reach a size of 15 centimeters. Paradise fish. Although small, this colorful fish is rather fierce, and the male will attack other males. An extremely hardy fish, it can grow up to between 6 and 10 centimeters. Earth eater. Due to its large size, this fish can be placed together with more aggressive fish in an aquarium in water with a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. This fish is extremely active and will shift the stones in an aquarium. It grows slowly and eats pieces of mixed meat. Sabermono are better known as fingerfish and are round in shape with a small head and mouth. The eyes are large and its body is either silver or white. This fish lives in water with a temperature of 24 to 28 degrees Celsius and can reach 20 centimeters in size. Silver scat. This fish likes to stay in groups and are rather active. The fry are silver in color with black stripes and markings that gradually fade away as they mature. The maximum size of this fish is 28 centimeters, and it should be kept in water with a temperature of between 24 and 32 degrees Celsius. Striped headstander. Here's a beautiful fish that shouldn't be kept in a group. Its name comes from its small-sized head, and it has a mouth that slants upwards. African butterfly fish. This is a predator that shouldn't be kept with other fish. It can eat food in chunks or flakes, but prefers live feed as it is a carnivore. It likes to stay at the surface of the water and should be given space that is not filled with plants. This is the glass suckerfish. This species is rather special as it is translucent and its internal organs and skeleton can be seen. It is also one of this species of fish that isn't benthic, that is, it doesn't live at the bottom level. It should be kept in a group and not individually. Aside from fish, hobbyists can also keep other life forms in the aquarium to make it more attractive. Apple snail. There are two types of apple snails, but the smaller one is often kept in an aquarium. The shell has 5 to 6 swirls on it. Its size varies from 40 to 50 millimeters wide and 45 to 65 millimeters high, and it comes in various colors as well, from yellow, green to brown. Zebra lobster. This crustacean has red and black stripes on it, and thus the name zebra lobster. It can grow up to 25 centimeters. Rainbow crab. This species of crab originates from the African coastal areas. It is a loner and should not be kept with other crabs. The rainbow crab can live up to between 5 to 7 years if cared for in a suitable environment. The water temperature should be maintained at 24.5 degrees Celsius. The beauty of a fish brings peace and satisfaction to one who admires it. Whether it is beautiful, colorful, graceful, or odd, all these fish have something special that can attract the attention of people, whether they are young or old, experts or just observers. Because there is something special about ornamental fish.